one or may mga negosyo sila. Hindi, klaro naman po from our, even with the speech of our chair, sa mga manifestations, talagang it will run its course. It is accountability over politics.
So based on your mga evidences na hawak mo ng committee, ano yung pinakamalakas against the Vice President?
Well, pipresenta naman po yung mga ebidensya na yung matabaming hearings hanggang po dun sa trial. Siyempre po yung sa salient po, hindi ko nasagot. Actually, yung buong impeachment hindi ko nasagot kasi we were actually sidelined by a technicality. Siyempre, yung grave threats na tinitingnan natin against the President. Sabi ko nga po, siguro sa ibang bansa yan, in-openly threatened mo yung Presidente. Ibang-iba po yung sitwasyon ngayon. So again, all of the grounds, all of the complaints are very strong. So equally strong po lahat.
Sir, balikan ko lang po, since kune-question na yung Valeriano complaint, do you think naman susurvive yung mga complaints even kahit mawala yung Valeriano? Do you think they